How to sign up for a new account on AliPay. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll take you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily sign up for a new account on AliPay. First thing first, you're going to have to simply go ahead and open up AliPay and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, in order to log in, you will first have to sign up. Now, to create an account, you can either sign up with your email or phone number. So if you want to sign up with your email, or let's say if you are on the login page, you can find the sign up button at the bottom. Just tap on the sign up button and then go to sign up with email. Or if you want to continue with phone number, tap here to select your country code and enter your phone number. I'll just go ahead and continue with my email. Now go ahead and enter the email that you want to continue with. Tap on sign up now and then agree. Once that is done, you can easily sign up for a new account. So here they'll send a verification. So you need to verify first. So you have to click the images in order. So let's just quickly do that. Now verification is passed. And now on this page, they will sign you up with your email. You are going to have to verify again by sliding the ball to the basket. Now they'll send you a code on your email. Wait for it and enter the code here. So I've already gotten the code. I'll just enter the code right here. It's going to automatically detect it. Then you just have to create a password and tap on next, and you should be able to create your new account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.